Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Spot. Do you want to remove your unwanted face and body hair permanently? Every girl wants smooth and silky skin without the hassle of waxing, shaving, or other hair removal methods again and again. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of unwanted face and body hair permanently. You won't need to wax or shave ever again. So let's start with this natural and effective remedy. In a clean bowl, take 2 spoons of the peel-off mask. Add a 1/4 spoon of the toothpaste to it. Mix it well until you get a smooth mixture. Apply a thick layer onto your skin with a brush or hands or whatever you're comfortable with and leave it on for 20 minutes. This remedy will help you in removing the unwanted hair effectively without causing pain or damage to the skin. This peel-off mask will not only remove facial hair, but it will also cure skin issues like acne scars, and wrinkles. After 20 minutes, peel off this mask in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Apply a good moisturizer to the skin. Coconut oil is best. You will see that your hair will be completely removed in no time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye!